Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is electric intensity due to a point charge. Due to a point charge. First, to understand what is electric intensity. Electric intensity, also called electric field strength or electric field intensity. The electric field intensity at any point is defining as the force experienced by a test charge Q naught placed at that point. Means we observe the force experienced by a test charge. For example, this is a field and a charge placed in this field, and also this is test charge apply on this charge. Test charge is known as Q naught, and experience this force experience this force experience on Q naught, this is called electric intensity. Mean the single charge we not observe the force on single charge, mean only we after observe the force due to if any other charge attract or repel or observes test charge. Mean if observe means if this charge test on this charge, mean Q naught is test on this charge, then we observe the force. This is known as electric intensity. Electric intensity. What is the directions of electric intensity? Electric intensity, the direction of electric intensity is same that of electric force. Electric force. And we know that the electric intensity is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. Electric intensity is a vector quantity. What is mean vector quantity? Mean vectors that show direction and magnitude is called vectors. And what is vector quantity? Mean those quantities show direction and magnitude we called vector quantity. We called vector quantity. Understand? How we present electric intensity in mathematical form? In mathematical forms. Mathematically forms. Observe force is equal to F over Q naught is known as mathematical form of electric intensity. Direction of electric intensity. We know that the direction of electric intensity already explained here. The direction of electric intensity is same that of electric force. And how we obtain the unit and understand unit of electric intensity? We know that the mathematical form of electric intensity is equal E is equal to F over Q naught. E is equal to F over Q naught. F is electric intensity. And what is the unit of force? We know that the unit of force is newtons. And what is the unit of charge is coulombs. Then the electric intensity is equal to Newton per coulombs. This is the unit of electric intensity. Now come on the topic electric intensity due to a point charge. We already understand the electric intensity. Mathematically we represent in E is equal to F over Q naught. Q naught is a test charge and F is a experience force. But here we define electric intensity due to a point charge. According to Coulomb law, the force experienced by a test charge Q naught placed in the field of charge Q is given by, first to draw the field, and Q charge placed is in field. This is Q charge placed in field, and we apply test charge on it. Test charge is equal to Q naught. And we observe force due to this. Mean we not observe force singly charges. We only observe force on charge due to attraction of other charges. Mean this is a charge placed in field and apply attraction or repulsion on test charge Q. Then we observe force. We already understand the force in Coulomb's law in for two charges. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to this charge and this charge divided by r square. Mean r is a separated distance between two charges plus q and q naught. Q naught is a test charges. Test charges. Test charge q naught. What is test charge mean? Means a charge which is used to detect force of the electric field. Means a test charge used to detect the force of the electric field. This force detect in of the electric field due to these charges. We know that, and we also write in this form. Here we gave the name this equation A, because we know that electric intensity. What is electric intensity? What is electric intensity? Electric intensity mean E is equal to F over Q naught. Using value of equation A here, E is equal to F. We already know this is F, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q naught over r squared and divided by q naught, this, and this q cancels, then is equal to k q naught q naught cancel, k over r squares. Why we use k? We know that k is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Only explain here the value of k is equal to 8.85 10 की power 9 Newton per meter per coulombs. This is electrostatic constant, and we obtain this is equal to q over q naught, not only q. Understand? In vector forms, we write this equation in vector form. We know that this value is equal to k. Use hairs. Okay, understand? In wheres, what is r? Where r hat is the unit vectors directed from q to q naught, means r unit vectors directed from q to q naught. Understand? This is our questions topic complete. Thanks for watching.